Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will instruct the user how to manage their high cotton letters and the high cotton mailing service queue within DecisionLender. The mailing service feature within DecisionLender 4 must have been previously requested in order to utilize this functionality. By default, a lender administrative user will have access to high cotton. In order to allow additional roles to see the high cotton tab, the role must be modified. How to modify a role for access to high cotton tabs. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the main dashboard screen. Click on the Setup tab. Click on the Lender tab. Click on the Roles subtab. This will open the Roles and Permissions page. Select the role name that you would like to enable for high cotton. For this example, we will select Funder. The Edit Role page will display. Under the All Pages section, click on the expand arrow to the left of the work queue. Click on High Cotton Letters. Click the green arrow to move the high cotton letters permission to the role. Click the Save button. Once this role is associated to a user, that user will have access to high cotton. How to view and edit the delay days. From the main dashboard screen, click on the Setup tab. Click on the Lender tab. Click on the High Cotton tab. The high cotton letters will display, along with the number of delay days that are currently set for each letter. The current status of the letter will be displayed as either active or inactive. To edit the delay days, click on the Edit icon in the Action column. This will open the Edit Letter page. Enter the number of days in the Delay section. Click Update when completed. This change in delay days will only be made for the specific letter chosen. If there is more than one letter where the delay days need to be modified, please repeat these steps for each letter. High Cotton Letters. Click on the High Cotton Letters tab under the Work Queue section. This will open the High Cotton Letters page. The letters you have chosen to use with the mailing service will appear here once the application has been decisioned to meet the criteria of the letter. For example, once an application is declined, it will appear on this page to have an adverse action letter mailed. Letters may be canceled or reinstated in this section during the delay day timeframe. Once the letters are marked as sent in the status column, they cannot be canceled. How to cancel a letter from the mailing service queue. Canceling a letter will remove it from the letters that are pending submission to the mailing service. Only letters that are in a ready-to-send status can be canceled. Once a letter is marked as sent in the status column, it cannot be canceled. To cancel a letter, put a check in the Select box and click the Cancel button. This will update the status to Canceled and timestamp the cancellation with the date, time, and name of the user that canceled it. The letter is now prevented from being sent to high cotton. How to reinstate a letter in the mailing service queue. Reinstating a letter enables the letter to be sent to high cotton for mailing. When a letter is reinstated, or in other words, reactivated, the clock will not start over. The clock will continue to calculate from the days when it was decisioned to ensure compliancy. To reinstate a letter, put a check in the Select box and click on the Reinstate button. This will update the status to Ready to Send and timestamp the reinstatement with the date, time, and name of the user that reinstated it. The letter is returned to the mailing service queue. How to search for an application in the High Cotton Letters page. The Search Criteria section will allow the user to search for a specific letter by entering the application's information. For this example, we will search for Bill Steiner's application. We will enter Steiner in the applicant name field and click the Apply button. The requested application will display. How to download a report. From the High Cotton Letter page, click on the Download Report button. Save the report to your computer. The report will open in an Excel format and may be saved or printed. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.